Aloha friends, this is Aaron from Hawaii Music School, and today's lick of the day was a Hawaiian turnaround in the key of C. Now, I'm using the high G ukulele, so you want to have your ukulele tuned to a high G if you want to make it sound the way I'm playing it. You can still do it on a low G, but it's not going to have that same effect. So let's take a look at today's lick. Okay, now how did I do that? My first finger is on the 7th fret of the 3rd string. My second finger is on the 8th fret of the 2nd string, and my pinky is on the 10th fret of the 1st string. And so what I'm doing is I'm picking the top string, then the bottom string, and then I go 4, 2, 4. And what I'm doing here is I extend my pinky to 12, and I play the top string again, and then back down to 10. So, and then I pick the 2nd string. And then we go to this shape. So what this is finger number 1 is on the 5th fret of the 2nd string. Finger number 4 is on the 8th fret of the 1st string. And so what that was top string, 1st string, and then it goes 4, 2, 1. And so what I'm doing now is I'm going to 7th fret with my pinky, and then the top string. So I go down to the 1 and 5. So it goes, and that's just like that, right? So 4, 2, 1, and then C. Okay, so all together. Okay, and I usually end it with like something like that. So it's just 4, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, or any of those patterns that you vamp on a chord for. Okay, so however you want to end it. All right, so that was the lick of the day. If you like today's lesson, please go ahead and hit that like button below. And also, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. If you like the way I teach, check out my website, HawaiiMusicSchool.com, where we offer tons of lessons. In fact, right now, I think we have like 70 lessons, and we add one every week. And if you sign up right now, you can get 2 weeks free. So check it out, and see you around. Aloha.